Would you like some peach cobbler? Here, the first bite's for you. Hello, culinarians. Welcome. Peach cobbler holds a special place at the dinner table, where it's often found to be a crown jewel of desserts. Hi, I'm Bella LaFay, and I help people build confidence in the kitchen with simple, fun recipes and practical cooking tips. I want to make cooking at home easy for you. Here's some love from my recipe to yours. Well, let's discuss what you'll need for the pie filling. 3 cans of peaches, sugar, lemon juice, and all-purpose flour. For the topping, you will need all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, melted butter, milk, vanilla extract, and baking powder. What's the difference between peach pie and peach cobbler? Peach pie typically has a lower crust and a flaky top pastry crust. Peach cobbler has no bottom crust. Instead, it features a layer of fruit topped with a biscuit-like or cake-like dough that bakes into a golden crust over the fruit. I use the peaches and the juice. I like to cut up some of the peaches so they're not all the same size. In American history, peach cobbler dates back to the 19th century. Without traditional ovens, settlers would cobble together canned or preserved fruits with biscuit dough, cooking the dish in Dutch ovens over open fires. This led to what we know now as cobbler, with the name likely coming from the dessert's cobbled appearance. Here I'm mixing the peaches with sugar, all-purpose flour, and lemon juice. Spray a 9x13 pan with cooking spray and add the peach mixture to the pan. I took one look at the butter for the topping and I thought it had solidified. I heated it again. The butter exploded in the microwave, so I had to clean the mess. Yes, mishaps are common in the kitchen, but don't let that deter you. Keep on cooking. For the topping, in another bowl, whisk together the sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract until well combined. The batter will be thick. Drop spoonfuls of the batter over the peach mixture. Spread the batter out as evenly as possible, leaving some gaps for the filling to bubble through. What is the main difference between peach cobbler and peach pie? A. Cobbler has no bottom crust. B. Cobbler is made with canned peaches only. C. Pie is served cold. D. Pie has no fruit filling. The answer is A. Cobbler has no bottom crust. Bake in a preheated oven of 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. While the peach cobbler was baking, I decided to wash some dishes. Do you wash the dishes during cooking or do you wait until after? Peach cobbler is a dish that brings people together. evoking memories of family gatherings and summer picnics when peaches are in season. Unlike formal desserts, peach cobbler has a rustic, homemade charm that feels welcoming, with its bubbling peaches and golden crust, offering a sweet, satisfying end to any meal.